Boom shakalaka, could these two indicators lining up exactly like they've done previously be indicating a local bottom for Bitcoin? You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at could these signals lining up like they've done previously indicate a local bottom for Bitcoin. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love, where every day we share some of the best charts in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Now, today, the overall market in extreme fear. We've been hovering around these levels for quite a long time, and we're continuing to stay down there. The market going sideways today. Bitcoin at 29,756, Ethereum at 1974, BNB 330, XRP 40 cents, Cardano 51 cents, Solana $48, and Dogecoin at 8 cents. And if you want to know the top coins today to hold to outpace just holding Bitcoin by itself, on KuCoin up over 500% today, we have Gods Unchained, XCAD Network, Energy, Tron, and BNB. And I've played Gods Unchained myself. Pretty darn fun. But if you want to check token metrics out for yourself, add some low caps for higher risk but potentially much higher reward, there is a discounted link down in the description. So with Bitcoin as of right now, we have pretty much touched the Plan C confluence floor model. This is something we predicted about 2 to 3 months ago when we had the cross of the long-term holder floor and the dormancy flow floor. Well, it was predicted based on 3 times it happening previously that once again we would crash down to this dormancy flow floor. We haven't touched it yet, come very close, about $1,000 to $1,500 from that floor, but right now we are very, very darn close to the floor, right around $28,000, $27,500, somewhere around there. But Plan C goes on to say here with the Bitcoin 140-day market realized gradient that until we get above the zero line, no bueno. So if we take a look at this gradient, anytime it's yellow, bearish, green, bullish. Well, we are in yellow right now, and we would need to get above this zero line to turn back to green, become bullish. Hopefully that'll happen soon. As a matter of fact, if you stay tuned, we have some pretty impressive charts. Now, On-Chain College goes on to say that right now the Bitcoin realized price, which is essentially the average cost basis for all holders, is $23,791. No one knows if we'll go to or below the realized price, but historically, if we take a look here, buying when Bitcoin was below the realized price has historically been a very, very lucrative, especially with a multi-year approach. And if we take a look at the longer term moving averages, the 2-year, the 3-year, the 4-year moving averages, we can see where Bitcoin price is right now in comparison to them. We're below the 2-year moving average, the green line, at 35,550. We are right about the 3-year moving average, 26,639, and we are still above the 4-year moving average, $21,368. But something here that's happening that's very, very interesting is the long-term holder cost basis, which is the price that long-term holders have accumulated Bitcoin at, is pretty much close to where it was back when Bitcoin was down here, roughly around $10,000, which is pretty shocking. Now, what this means to me, and you'll have to tell me down in the comments if you interpret this differently, is we saw the long-term holder cost basis rising, but it started falling off dramatically during this period, which tells me the long-term holders, people holding Bitcoin over 6 months, had to be selling a lot. Now, not all of the long-term holders who bought at this area still hold, but the long-term holders have basically bought between October of 2020 and probably about November of 2021. A lot of them probably sold, and that is sending the long-term holder cost basis down. So really, we just have the long-term holder Bitcoin holders at this time. Now, that being said, we do have this, the supply last active 1+ years rate of change Z-score. And we can see in this that it appears like for the 4th time in Bitcoin's history, this metric might have already bottomed out and been reversing. The last 3 times we left the green zone was when Bitcoin was already in a massive uptrend and a bullish trend follows. So we can see that it looks like the trend has reversed like it's done previously, and we could be headed towards somewhat of a bull run, particularly if we leave this green area. Not only that, but a counter indicator to Bitcoin, DXY, appears like it could be turning downwards. Historically, Bitcoin price and DXY go in opposite directions. So if we have a reversal in the strength of the dollar, Bitcoin price could be coming up, which brings us to this chart right here. A few pretty accurate indicators. One is the RSI downtrend breaking. So every time we have broken the RSI downtrend previously, that has pretty much been a bottom. And you can see that happen here, that happened here. It also happened many more times in the past. And if you take a look right here, we broke the RSI downtrend on about 2-3 days ago. So that alone could suggest that Bitcoin price, we may have found a local bottom. Price could be heading up right now, where we are today, to roughly about $41,000, which is where the downtrend is at this moment. But there's also another indicator, Market Cipher B from CryptoFace, his indicator. When we have green dots here, these can also suggest bottoms. We'll take it out. We have a green dot and breaking the RSI. We have a green dot and breaking the RSI. That happened 2 times previously. Both times previously, it was the bottom. Well, check it out. We have a green dot and breaking the RSI. Could this stand 3 for 3 in the short-term time period? Well, we'll kind of have to see. But I would hope that Bitcoin price would go up. But if it goes down, you know, a lot of these numbers are suggesting $23,000 would be the next level. So that's kind of where Bitcoin is pegged, between $23,000 and $40,000. So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.